everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make this beautiful crochet flat stitch, mesh stitch. This stitch is very useful for summer projects, dear friends. You can make summer vests, summer pareos, summer ponchos, beach cover dresses, crop top, crochet tops, crochet mesh dresses, anything you can imagine for spring and summer. You can do this. You can also make winter scarves with this mesh stitch by using chunky yarn. I really love this stitch, dear friends. It is very easy. You can also make hairbands, bandanas, bottle holders, crochet phone bags, crochet phone covers, anything you can imagine. It is practical to use these stitches. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. Let's go on how to make this. For this project, I used cotton yarn. If you are going to make this for spring and summer projects, I advise you to use cotton yarn or mercerized yarn. I mean thin yarns, not chunky, not thick yarns. Of course, if you are going to make, for example, winter shawl, winter scarf, you can make the same stitch with chunky yarns. It is also possible. I'm using 3mm hook and the scissors to cut the yarn. I'm going to show this to you on a small part, but if you are going to make a mesh skirt, mesh pareo, you will make the chains according to that. Or if you are going to make a bolero, if you are going to make a summer top, you will make the chains according to that. Okay, first of all, we are making a slip knot. I am doing slip knot like this and pulling. Slip knot is ready. Upon this, I am making chains according to the size of the project I want to make. If you are going to make a skirt, you are going to make the chains according to that. Or if you are going to make a shawl, you are making chains according to that. But I am just making some chains in order to show you the stitch. Like this, I am making chains. Okay, dear friends, we are making chains according to our project. I made some chains. Now I will go back 3 chains. This is chain 1. This is chain 2. This is chain 3. I'm making yarn over and inserting my hook in the chain 4. Like this. I am considering chain 2 as double crochet and I am considering chain 3 as the space. It's been like this. I am making 1 chain, yarn over. I am skipping 1 stitch. This stitch I am skipping, going to the second stitch, inserting my hook through the stitch and making a double crochet like this. I am making 1 chain. I am skipping this following stitch, going to the second one, inserting my hook in there and making a double crochet like this. I am making 1 chain, yarn over. I am skipping 1 stitch, inserting my hook in the second stitch like this, inserting my hook and making a double crochet. Once again, I'm showing, I'm making 1 chain, yarn over, I'm skipping this first chain stitch, going to the second one, inserting my hook through the second stitch, yarn over, pull through, and making a double crochet. One moment. Okay. Yes, it's been like this in the round 1, dear friends. We are going on in the same way till the end of the chain. I came to the end of this round. I am making 1 chain. There is only 1 stitch to make. I am skipping this stitch, going to the last one, inserting my hook through the last stitch, yarn over, pull through, and I am making my last double crochet for this first round. Now I am making 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turning to the other side, yarn over, you see there is a stitch here. Inserting our hook through this stitch on top of the following double crochet, yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet. It's been like this, dear friends. I am making 1 chain, yarn over. I am going to the following double crochet and I will insert my hook through the stitch that is available on this double crochet, this stitch. Inserting my hook in there, yarn over, pull through, and I am making a double crochet like this, making 1 chain, yarn over. I am going to the following double crochet. You see this stitch, inserting my hook through this stitch, yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet. I'm making 1 chain, yarn over. I am going to the following stitch, inserting my hook in there, yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet like this. I am making 1 chain, yarn over. I am going to the following double crochet, inserting my hook through the stitch on top of this double crochet, yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet. Like this, we are coming to the end, dear friends. I came to the end. There is only 1 space left here. I am making 1 chain. Look, dear friends, this is chain 1, chain 2, and this is chain 3. I am inserting my hook through the chain 3 and making a double crochet. It's been like this. Okay. The second round finished like this. Now, for the round 3, we are making 4 chains. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and 4. Turning to the other side, yarn over. I am inserting my hook on top of the stitch that is available on the following double crochet like this, yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet, making 1 chain, going to the following stitch, inserting my hook through this stitch, making a double crochet, 1 chain, going to the following stitch, inserting my hook through this one, making a double crochet, making 1 chain, going to the following stitch and making a double crochet on top of this one. From now on, it is always going on like this, dear friends. Between the double crochets, we are always making 1 chain, making yarn over and inserting our hook on top of the following double crochet stitch and making a new double crochet on this, and in the same way we are finishing the round. One moment. Okay, let's come to the end in the same way I explained to you. Yes, I came to the end of this round. There is only 1 stitch left. Now I will show you how I am going to finish. I am making 1 chain, yarn over. Look, dear friends, this is chain 1, chain 2, this is chain 3. I will insert my hook through chain 3 like this, yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet. Now the round 3 is totally finished. For this upper round, always we are making 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Later on we are making yarn over, turning to the project, and we are inserting our hook through the following double crochet. From now on, always it's repeat. We are making one chain, inserting our hook on top of the following double crochet, making a new double crochet on top of this one, making one chain, going to the following stitch, inserting our hook through this stitch, making a double crochet, making one chain, going to the following stitch, inserting our hook through this one, making a double crochet. Always repeats like this, dear friends, according to the project you are going to make. You can make this over and over till you finish your project. That's all what you need to know for this mesh stitch project, flat stitch project, how you call this. Okay, I am coming to the end. Yes, dear friends, I finished this round as well. We came to the end of another project with you. Hope you like this project. Hope you love this stitch. I really like this, especially for spring and summer times. This stitch is very useful to make many things. Crochet kimonos, crochet ponchos, crochet beach cover dresses, crochet pareos, crochet phone bags. If you use macrame yarn or paper yarn, you can use beach bags. It is really very nice, dear friends. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. I'll be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials to be informed. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.